Bakit hindi ka makaklose? Kasi mali ang follow-up mo. Ang secret, hindi lang basta follow-up, kundi follow through. Marami sa atin ang nagfo-follow up, pero mali ang paraan. Sir Gary, I'm just following up on what we talked about. Sir Gary, when are you going to deposit? Sir Gary, when are you going to buy? Kung ganito ka mag-follow up, ang mangyayari, mas lalo kang iiwasan. Instead of pushing for a sale, you're pushing them away. So ano ang gagawin mo? Don't follow up, do follow through. Kung magfo-follow up ka, magbigay ka ng value. Magbigay ka ng solusyon or bagong perspective. Ipakita mo sa kanila kung anong makukuha nila. Ipakita mo sa kanila kung bakit nila kailangan kumilos. Follow through by giving them something to think about, something they can act on. At ang pinakamabisa na follow-up ay hindi laging follow-up ng follow-up. It's your valuable content. Content na hindi lang promotional, kundi content na may value, na binibigyan mo consistently. That's how you build trust and close the sale.